What if you could completely transform your face in seconds? Add a beard, change your hairstyle, remove tattoos, all without advanced editing skills. With Filmora's new beauty effects like acne removal and dreamy glow, professional face retouching is now faster, smarter, and more realistic than ever.
Before we begin, visit my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos.
Whether you're fixing everyday skin imperfections or creating cinematic transformations, Filmora makes high-end editing feel effortless. One click, cleaner visuals, professional results. A lot of people get tattoos at some point in their life, but after seeing them every single day, it becomes almost impossible to imagine how your skin would actually look without them. Well, Filmora now lets you visualize that in seconds. First, import your footage or image into the timeline. Then head over to the Effects panel, open AI Effects, and go into the Beauty section. Here, you'll find Filmora's latest AI beauty effects, including acne removal, instant hair growth, and more. Simply drag and drop the tattoo removal effect onto your clip. Wait a few seconds for the AI to process the skin area, and Filmora will automatically remove the tattoo with surprisingly realistic results. It's a simple but fascinating way to completely change the look of your footage and even see yourself from a totally different perspective. You can take this transformation even further. For example, let's say you want to add a beard John Cena or want to add hair on Rock. Just drag and apply the effect, and within seconds, the AI will generate realistic hair, beard, or style changes depending on your selection. Here you can see the amazing results. Beyond entertainment, Filmora can also help solve real-life visual problems in your content. For example, if you have acne on your face and you want to record a video, you don't always need heavy editing or retouching skills. With the acne removal effect, you can instantly smooth your skin and clean up imperfections in just a few clicks, making your footage look camera-ready and professional. Filmora are not just about effects, they're about confidence, creativity, and giving you the freedom to present your best self on screen.